to fulfill something more? These are things you need to ask yourself. Let me share with you my story and the struggle with the word passion. No doubt, I have always had the passion for music. Ever since I was a young boy, music has been a part of my family. And siguro, ang dahilan nito ay yung nanay ko ay galing sa San Juan. Any of you from San Juan? No, I'm talking about San Juan, Puerto Rico. That's where my mom is from. Eh di ba yung mga Latino talagang mahilig sumayaw? No, but really, I understand, okay? Because ganun talaga ako. Ever since I was a young boy, I was dancing, moving, I would sing. Pero dahil lahat kami sa pamilya may talent, hindi syempre pinapansin.
Sana dun tayo sa unahan ng
ako. And that's no problem with me. But I had the passion for music ever since I was very young. Alright? But why is it na during my early years in the music industry, I did not find joy? Now, young people, please understand, okay? During that time, yung nag-umpisa ako, there was no such thing as station affiliation. Wala yung kapuso at kapamilya. Wala yung, you could appear anywhere, anytime, any show. Anything you wanted to do.
That's what I want to hear.
Pero wala, hindi bibigyan ng suporta ng mga big networks. There was no such thing as that. So yung mga shows namin, talagang everyday, meron kaming ginagawang show or gig. Pero tuwing umuwi ako, when I would go home, now, you know, I had a passion for it. But every time I would go home, I would suffer because I became trapped in my own world of insecurities.
Ouch.
Yes, I suffered a lot of insecurities.
One
big insecurity was an insecurity called Martin Rivera. You see Martin and I on ASAP, diba, every Sunday. But you are so young that maybe some of you don't remember the time when kami lang dalawa ni Martin ang inaano palagi ng press. Pag meron akong gagawin, meron naman sasabihin tungkol kay Martin. Pag may gagawin si Martin, meron na naman mga ganon. And the fans would be so possessive all the time. It was that kind of world that I lived in. I was full of insecurities in my world of perfection because I strived for perfection. There is a difference in striving for perfection and striving for excellence. Maybe I'll say something about that later on. But that was my world. Kumbaga parang I got lost in my own world. It's like you build a house, you build your house now, and then you get lost in your house. That's how I felt. Well, only in November 12 of 1985 did that world slowly crumble. Unti-unti siyang bumagsak. The walls came down, and for the first time in my entire life, I felt a passion for something new. Honestly, wala akong nakitang, wow, ito na yung mangyayari sa akin. November 12, 1985 was when I came to know Jesus Christ as my personal Lord and Savior. Meron akong isang kanta yung Pinanatuto. Hindi ko alam kung alam ninyo yun o yung mga nanay ninyo or lola or uncle. Kasi 25 years old na ako sa industriya. But Pinanatuto was on the charts. Top 5 songs for 10 months. So, syempre, pag nakikita ako ng tao, ang akala ng lahat, okay na si Gary V, talagang enjoy na siya, you know, he's a made man. But I was very unhappy. I was a very good actor when I was on stage because I could smile and still feel so lost inside my soul.